Hello. In this video, we will download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is free and available from the website of www.netacad.com. This is the Cisco Networking Academy. You must have an account with Cisco Networking Academy in order to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. From the website www.netacad.com, I'll hover over the Login button. When you click on Login, you'll be redirected to a login page. Please use your current credentials for the Cisco Networking Academy. If you do not have credentials at this time, you'll have to create an account. After entering your username or an email address assigned with a Cisco Networking Academy account, you'll click on Next. At this time, you'll be asked for an account password. Please type in your password for your account. After entering your password, click the Sign In button. When your account is successfully authenticated, you'll be given a main home page. On this home page, you'll be able to see resources at the top. Hover over Resources. Click on the link for Download Packet Tracer. The Download Cisco Packet Tracer page will load. You can scroll down and find the latest installers for Cisco Packet Tracer. These installers are organized based off of the operating system that each executable has been created for. Please download the latest executable for your system. After downloading the latest available Cisco Packet Tracer installer, locate the executable file that you have downloaded. Mine is in the Downloads folder of my machine. I will double-click on that installer file, and now I'm given the license agreement page. I'll click on I accept the agreement and click Next. I will leave the default directory for where it will be placed and click Next. The name of the Cisco Packet Tracer application in my Start menu folder, I'll leave the default and click Next. From here I have two options regarding the desktop shortcut and the quick launch shortcut. I will leave the default settings and click Next. When I click on Install, it's now going to extract the files from the executable file and install the program to my machine. After the installer has completed, the default selection is to launch Cisco Packet Tracer. I will leave that checked and I will click Finish. The installer application will close, but Cisco Packet Tracer is going to open now on my machine. I have a pop-up that is asking to run multi-user when the application starts. I will click on Yes. From here, Packet Tracer is going to load for our initial deployment. Packet Tracer will ask for access through the Windows firewall of my machine. I will check for private home networks, and at this time I will deselect for public. I will click Allow Access. When Cisco Packet Tracer begins to open, it will allow me to log in using my Cisco Networking Academy credentials. This is very important as it allows me to be able to save files more than 3 times. If I do not log in using my Cisco Networking Academy credentials, I'll be using Continue as Guest. That is a limited alternative compared to using your Cisco Networking Academy credentials. So I will enter my credentials for the Cisco Networking Academy. I will click on Next and it will ask me for a password. I'll enter my password for my Cisco Networking Academy account. And before I click Sign In, I will check mark the box to keep me logged in. This allows my machine to utilize these credentials for up to 3 months. It means I don't have to log in every time I open Cisco Packet Tracer. With that check mark selected, I will click Sign In. At this time, the Cisco Packet Tracer application is installed, and now I can begin designing, configuring, troubleshooting, and deploying networks, IoT, security, and more.